Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Bold English. My name is Bill, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. Improve your English naturally and make English a part of your daily life. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're trying to become a more confident speaker, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. Let me ask you something. Have you ever imagined meeting someone who speaks English, but instead of feeling excited, you feel nervous? Not because you don't understand English, but because you don't know what to say next. Your mind goes blank. Your heart starts beating faster, and you wish you had practiced this moment before. Here's the good news. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly how to start, continue, and finish a simple English conversation. And trust me, it's much easier than you think. Stay with me. Because today, you're not just watching a lesson, you're going to speak with me. Before we begin, if you want to speak English confidently, one conversation at a time, subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every lesson on this channel is designed to help you speak naturally, not just learn English. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath, relax, and remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Today, we're having our first English conversation together. I'll speak first. Then, you'll repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. I smile, and I say, "Hello." Now you say, "Hello." Great. Now I ask, "How are you?" You can answer, "I'm doing well," or "I'm good." Excellent. Now let me ask again. "How are you today?" You answer, "I'm doing great." Thank you. Very nice. See? You're already having a conversation, and it only took a few simple words. Now let's continue. I ask, "What's your name?" You answer, "My name is..." Then say your own name. Excellent. Now I say, "Nice to meet you." You answer, "Nice to meet you too." Perfect. That's how real conversations begin. Not with difficult grammar, not with long sentences, but with simple, natural English. Now let's practice one more time. Hello. How are you? What's your name? Nice to meet you. Excellent! Can you feel it? You're not just listening anymore. You're speaking English. And that's exactly how confidence grows. Excellent. You're doing a great job. Now, let's continue our conversation. Imagine we're meeting for the first time. I ask, "Where are you from?" Now you answer, "I'm from..." Then say your country. Great. Now I say, "That's nice. Next question. What do you do?" You can answer, "I'm a student," or "I work in an office," or "I'm learning English." Very good. Remember, your answer doesn't have to be perfect. It only has to be clear. Now let's make it more natural. I ask, "What do you like to do in your free time?" You can say, "I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like listening to music. I like learning English." Excellent. You're doing better than you think. Now let's have a complete conversation. I'll speak first. You answer after the pause. Ready? Hello. How are you today? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time? It was nice talking to you. Perfect. That's a real English conversation. And you just finished it. Now let me tell you something important. Don't try to memorize this conversation. Practice it again tomorrow. Then the next day. The goal isn't to remember every word. The goal is to make speaking feel natural. Because confidence doesn't come from memory. Confidence comes from repetition. Here's today's practice challenge. Find a quiet place. Play this part of the video again. Answer every question out loud. Don't whisper. Speak with confidence. Even if you make mistakes, every answer you give makes your English stronger. Before we move to the final part, I want you to remember one sentence. Speak first. Improve later. That simple habit can change your English forever. Excellent. Now it's time for one final conversation. This time, don't be nervous. Just answer naturally. Ready? Let's begin. Hello. How are you today? What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? That's wonderful. I'm happy to meet you. Have a great day. Excellent. Did you notice something? A few minutes ago, you were only listening. Now, you're answering questions in English. That's progress, and progress is more important than perfection. Many English learners believe they need hundreds of words before they can have a conversation. That's not true. A few simple sentences, used with confidence, are far more powerful than thousands of words you never use. So don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking with what you already know. From today, I want you to do something simple. Every day, speak to yourself. For 5 minutes, ask yourself easy questions, then answer them. For example, how are you today? What are you doing? What are your plans today? What did you learn today? The more you answer, the more natural English will become. Always remember, fluent speakers didn't become fluent because they never made mistakes. They became fluent because they never stopped speaking. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every day you practice, you're one step closer to speaking English confidently. Before you leave this video, introduce yourself in English. Say your name, your country, what you do, and one hobby. Keep it simple. The goal is to speak, not to be perfect. Then write one sentence in the comments telling me why you're learning English. I'd love to read it. If today's lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with a friend who's also learning English, and subscribe to Speak Bold English. Every week, we'll practice together, we'll build confidence together, and we'll become better English speakers, one conversation at a time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, your English improves every time you choose to speak. I'll see you in the next lesson.